A while back ago, I did a video on VMware Player, how to install it and all that stuff, right? Or VMware Workstation, sorry. So VMware Workstation. After I've played with it for a while, I don't like it. I'm sorry. I get it. I know it's a good product on Ubuntu, right? And my machine only has 8 gig of RAM, right? My other one had 16 gig of RAM, but this one has 8 gig of RAM, and it's just it's just so slow. Okay. And what is it? An Intel? Yeah, it's an Intel processor, right? It's a yeah. Anyway, but it's just so slow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my trusty old Microsoft Hyper-V, and I know that the reason is like VMware Workstation Player. I forgot that they don't have networking, so you can't like create networks and all that stuff inside. You have to upgrade to VMware Pro to do that, and of course I got VirtualBox, right? But VirtualBox is clunky as well on this particular server or this particular machine, excuse me. So I've downloaded that as well, and it just doesn't play nice with this. Maybe it's just my machine, whatever. But anyway, that's my 2 cents. So I will be moving back to Windows Hyper-V and installing. So I'll wipe this Ubuntu instance and just use the license key, the temp license key, basically for 180 days for the Windows Hyper-V. Or sorry, yeah, Windows Hyper-V. Okay, thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.